Okay, yesterday we looked at Pixlr, and it is found at this website called Pixlr.com. And we opened up a new file, and we put some different geometric shapes in there, as well as then some different text boxes. So I have a bunch of different layers here. Here's my circle, here's my square, here are my two text boxes. Okay. Now today what we want to do is try to learn how to place a picture or a clip art or whatever you have in there. So we're going to go up to the tools up here, and I know where it is. It's under layer, and I want to create a new layer with that picture. So I am going to go to layer and say open image as layer. Open as image as layer. Now then I'm going to go down and find the image that I want. Since I'm doing my sailing school, I'm going to go over here and go to open, and there my picture comes in. Okay. The problem is that it needs to be transformed. It needs to be shrunk. It needs to be, just adjusted a little bit. So I have to know where that tool is. Where's that tool? Well, it's under Edit. And under here, there is a free transform tool. So if I go to free transform, it will then take my layer so that I can make it the size that I want to fit inside my circle. Okay. If I click off, it will ask me, do you want to apply these changes? I say yes, and then at that time I continue on with what I want to do. Well, what do I want to do? Well, Pixlr is very powerful. Okay, I can use my erase tool, and let's say I don't want the learn to sail on here. So I will then, because I have it somewhere else, I can erase this area. Okay, I can make it a little, just what I want. Round off the edges a little bit more. See this white area? Let's say I don't want that white area. I could use a tool called the magic wand, which is this tool right here. Here's the magic wand. I then could click on a color I want to erase and then delete it. Maybe I want to do the same thing over here. There is a tolerance setting up here which then allows you to pick the different variances of the white color. Okay, I'll delete that one. And now I'm ready to go and maybe move mine. I might have to, because I selected just this area, go to Edit and select all before I move on, and then being able to move the whole thing once again. One last thing before I let you go. There is under the filters a bunch of different filters that you can use. I'm going to go to halftone. Okay, notice it then puts in all these spaces. Okay, maybe I want to put the inverse one. I can multiply it so that it does a variety of different things, make it look the way I want it to. Okay, it just kind of gave me a halftone, and then I can apply it by saying okay. There's again a lot of different filters. Water swirl. See, notice that I can let's see, swirl, swirl. Okay, even more, and it just distorts it a little bit if I want to use that water swirl filter. That's a little bit about how to use the layer and open image as layer, and then transform that using the Edit Free Transform. Have a great day.